In a peaceful green forest, where sunlight danced through the leaves, lived two very different friends, a swift hare and a slow, steady tortoise.
The hare often bragged about how fast he could run, laughing at those who couldn't keep up, especially his friend, the tortoise.
One day, tired of hearing the hare's boasting, the tortoise quietly said, "Let's have a race." The forest fell silent.
The next morning, the forest gathered to watch. At the signal, the race began.
Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving, slow but steady, never stopping, never giving up.
Before long, the hare was far ahead. He looked back, laughed, and decided to rest under a shady tree.
When the hare woke up, he saw the tortoise nearing the finish line. Panic filled his eyes as he raced with all his might.
But it was too late. The tortoise crossed the finish line first, and everyone cheered. From that day on, they all remembered, slow and steady wins the race.